back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning about how to prevent mosquitoes or how to kill mosquitoes in your yard. And last year I used this cutters. It works pretty well. You simply hook it to your hose and go around, turn this little nozzle up and down. You're going to spray it on all your trees, your lawn, your bushes. It's supposed to work up to 12 weeks. I used it for about 6. It's like $10 at any of your big box stores. So I used it for about 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks, and then I did it again. But it says 12 weeks, and it worked pretty well. And this year I'm trying something that I've seen a lot, and that is these donut killers. And these mosquito donuts, the way they work is you basically just put them in water, stagnant water, and they kill the mosquito larvae. So the larvae will find the stagnant water because they need water to lay their eggs. They'll lay their eggs, and then when they get ready to hatch, when they're in the larva stage before they become mosquitoes, the chemical that's in the donuts has released in the water, and it actually kills them. So it works pretty well. It's pretty effective. I had pretty good luck with the cutter last year, to be honest with you. It kept them down, but I'm going to try this just to see if I can almost eliminate them entirely. So you just get a bucket. I'm just using these mortar buckets that I use to do the kids' tile work, and one of these donuts does a lot. So for 1 to 5 square feet like this bucket, I'm actually just going to use a quarter, and these were, I think, $8. So these should last me the entire summer, and I'm just setting these around different places in my landscaping where you won't really see them, but the mosquitoes will smell the water and they'll get to it. Now, a couple things. If you've got small kids, you'll want to keep them from toddlers. You'll want to keep them from falling in the bucket. So you got a couple options. You can either, I got this white duct tape. You can either put duct tape over the top of them, or I also just took the lid and took an X-Acto knife and cut holes. So you could also put this over the top of them. And if you want them to be more discreet, you can just spray paint them with a rattle can and hide them even better. If you want to paint them green, paint them black, paint them to match your brick, and hide them. I'm just going to hide them behind a lot of the different bushes around my property. So here's the cutters. It's hooked to the hose. I've got this black, I don't know, it's kind of like a slinky hose, and I wasn't really a big fan of it, but it works great because I can literally get to every part of my property. This cutter, as I should have told you earlier, does about 5,000 square feet. It's pretty easy to do. You pull out the little yellow plug that's sitting right there, and then you simply turn on your water. And off and running. If you want to shut it off right there. So it's pretty simple. And you're spraying for mosquitoes. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.